Hey guys, Justin here, back with another video. Are you looking to create reels and shorts fast? I got you. Here's one I did in 10 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, my step-by-step process that'll have you posting shorts and reels quickly and easily. Hit that subscribe button and let's go. So this particular song is a popular trending song on Instagram. That's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to search by the most trending, what are people listening to right now, bring that into Premiere and start cutting it. What we had was shots of us on the wedding day. We had a teaser for this particular one, so we had selects already done, and we did actually a behind the scenes video, link right up here if you want to check that one out. But once you have those shots pulled, you sort of match it up to the song here. Let me take out these fades. I'll talk about that in a little bit. Beat, beat, beat. Pull some behind the scenes shots at a wedding day. Either have your second shooter get them. If you're lucky enough to have a third shooter, just start building a behind the scenes folder of all the shots of you on the wedding day. So we pulled those, matched them to the beat. And then for this next part, if I go to this timeline here, you'll see all our selects. And if I really zoom out, if you watch Steph's video about templates, this is sort of our template to get our highlight and our teaser done. We need this sequence where we go through all the footage, and you can check out that video up here. I grabbed on this layer all the best shots, copied all the shots, pasted over here, and then just sort of deleted the shots we weren't using and these label here. And then we have our selects of selects. And then so what I'll do is I'll grab a bunch of selects here. And since these shots here are super fast, as you can see, go back to this timeline, we'll select all of these shots that we like and then right click and then go into speed duration. And then within speed duration, you want to change that duration to, I give it 5 frames. You hit go on that and then let's take a look. Perfect. So you take those shots that you had pulled and then go onto your edit sequence. And then those are the shots that I had pulled. And you'll also want to frame these correctly. So some of them are not framed properly. So you just gotta click on the clip. That looks great. This is kind of a cool moment. And these are framed great. This one probably can go a little bit. And that's kind of that. So and in order to do this cool shot, this cool effect, I'll just delete it so you can see. You take these shots that you just had pulled, paste them on the correct layer, and then select these, the ones you just pasted, and then nest them, right? So you go down to nest and then you hit OK. Click on the nested sequence and go over to your scale. You're gonna wanna do 1 keyframe there, and then I actually zoomed it out to about 50%. And slide this keyframe over, add a dissolve, and then you sort of match it up with this logo, which I'll mention in a second. So now you'll see it moving. It's going a little fast. So what we do is instead of going 50, click on the keyframe and we'll go to 70. And then drag this all the way here. That's really nice. And then on this layer here, you grab your logo. So our logo's here, nice and plain. You'll get that on the bottom layer. And then that kind of fades in nicely. And that is how we create quick reels and shorts for our Instagram and YouTube for followers, likes, and subscribers. So guys, if you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and I will create more content like this in the future.